This is a question again about Bootstrap Studio. Can you please explain how to put one image of 50 by 50 over a big image 200 by 200 and also add some text like name or anything using Bootstrap Studio? Okay, so I've got two images here on the right hand side. The cat one is 200 by 200, flowers 50 by 50, a very small image. This could have a million parameters and everything like that. So it's, you know, I mean, when you do this type of thing, you got to know whereabouts you are on the web page. But just for a demonstration, I've put a column in there. Okay, so we just put the cat in there first. All right. Okay. Going to custom code this, convert HTML, edit code, and I'm just going to put a break in there. So it's BR, and then I'm going to put I am a cat. Okay, so I just apply that there. So that should, this will work obviously, but just showing you in the browser. So this obviously is on the left hand side of the page because there's nothing else there. Right, there you go. So there, I'm a cat. This depends on lots of things. If you're in the middle of a page, this is not going to work. But if, like, you put flowers in, okay. So the flowers are, let's have a look at this again. Right. So if you drag the flowers to, say, the top of that there, okay, so you'll have something like this on the left hand side. So like I say, this is not really an easy thing if you don't know about like things like position relative and that. So we do the flowers, okay, so that has to go over the top of that. So if you have, just custom code this as well, convert the HTML and edit code, okay, the flowers. So if you put an ID in there or a class, I'll put a class in, equals flower. That's your class name. Apply, so we get the styles, create, put a dot and flower. Okay, so you can put in position relative. Okay, and then you could put in, let's see where we are now, position relative, and we'll put in, this is put in top 100 pixels. This is just trying to find where we are with this, and left, say 20%. Okay, this is just a guide. So there it is there. Okay, so then we're going to then I'll say minus 10%. Okay, so it's a little bit of maths really. It's just trying to find out where you are, and that's gone somewhere else. So we just 10%. Okay, so now it's covering the other image. That's just what we need. But as I say, it's not. It's just, you've got to know these parameters if you want that. So that's now at 50 pixels, and that's a bit up. So if you want it a bit further to the top, you're talking, say, minus 20. So it's really trial and error. that is that's basically, so there's that on the nose of the cat. It really depends on where you are. You know, I mean, there are so many things, different parameters that you want with this. And Bootstrap Studio's preview is different to actually the browser. So that's always to bear in mind. But this could be anywhere on your page. And so it would always be different. But like you're using either position absolute or position relative. But I cannot really give you a definitive mark of where that would be on your page. But if you have a page where you want it to go and you've got your images, then get back to us on that one, because it's not a, it's like sort of, it's an indecisive thing really. You can't, you know, I'm just doing it there, what you said, but I mean, it could be anywhere on the page. So these, you know, your top and your left would be wrong. So sometimes you need position absolute as well. So yeah, it's not an easy question really to answer by just doing that. So again, if you want to get back in touch with us about that, if you've got a definitive way where you want that button, just get back. Okay, so again, thanks for watching.